threads woven across the loom. अब जो भी फैब्रिक होता है, जो भी कपड़ा होता है, वो कैसे बनता है? धागे से बनता है. यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं इस इमेज में, ये दो तरफ से धागा यूज होता है. उसको क्रिस क्रॉस फैशन में आप आपस में ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न करते हैं, उसको कहते हैं वीव करना. और जब आप ऐसे धागे को वीव करते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? फैब्रिक बन जाता है. और ये वीविंग कहां पर होती है? लूम पर होती है. और इन धागों को क्या कहते हैं? वेफ्ट या फिर वूफ. तो वीव देयर एयर थ्रेड्स इनटू वूफ का क्या मतलब है? एयर थ्रेड्स यानी कि हवा के धागे. हवा के धागे एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते. तो यहां पर पोएट क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? कोई भी ड्रीम, कोई भी सपना, कोई भी इमेजिनेशन, कहते हैं ना सपने बुनना, ऐसे ही पोएट यहां पर कह रहे हैं वीव देयर एयर थ्रेड्स इनटू वूफ, कि आप अपने सपनों में अलग अलग नई नई चीजें सोच रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पैटर. अगेन इट इज द साउंड ऑफ रेनड्रॉप्स फॉलिंग ऑन द रूफ. So in this stanza, what the poet is saying, he is expressing his feelings. What kind of things does he feel when he hears the sound of rain falling on the rooftop? He says every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. So whenever he hears the sound of rain falling on the rooftop, there's a repeated sound in his heart and 1,000 dreamy fancies. So as the poet is sleeping, he is dreaming. So in his dreams, he has many different fanciful imaginations. Into busy being start. Busy being refers to a human being, and here poet is referring to himself. He says that this sound of the rainfall on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. And 1,000 recollections. Recollections means memories of the past. And he also has memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past also come into his mind like dreams. Now we see stanza 3. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers era she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Again we'll see the meanings first. Agone means era gone by. That means your past. Era is an old poetic word for before. So the time that was in the past can be referred to as era. Dawn is the time of daybreak, the time of sunrise. List is an old poetic word for listen. So list here means to listen. Refrain means a repeated part of a song or a poem, and here it refers to the sound of the rain. So here the poet is saying, otherwise refrain means a song or a poem, but here what is the song the poet is referring to? The sound made by the rain. This is like a song to the poet. Now in this stanza, the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother. As he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings in memories of the past. तो past की कौन सी memory है जो poet के दिमाग में आ रही है? उनकी mother. वो कहते हैं कि जैसे past में years agone यानी कि past में उनकी mother, वो उनको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करती थी. She used to consider him as a darling and she left them till the dawn. She would let him sleep till daybreak. And the poet says that he can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the music, as he listens to the song of the rain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So the poet is saying that as he listens to the sound, as he listens to the song made by the raindrops which fall on the rooftop of his room, he is reminded of his mother and the past. His mother who is no longer with him, he is reminded of her and he gets the memories of his past when his mother used to look at him lovingly. And he feels that still, even now, his mother is looking at him with love, with affection. Because the sound of the rain makes him correlate his past with his present, because even then, at that time when his mother was there was the same rain and the same song that he heard, and he is hearing that song now also, and so he is relating his past to his present. And that is why the poet is touched by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound,